Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to our special podcast episode. Fun talks about our hobbies, interests, and talents. I'm Mot Firmansyah and I'll be your host today. I'm joined with by three awesome friends who are excited to share their stories with us. Let's get to know them one by one. Please introduce yourself. First, we start from Hilmi.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Listianto Hilmi Fauzan. You can call me Hilmi, and I'm from Bandung, or specifically Padalarang. I'm here. Can talk about my hobbies, is watching anime, playing games, and reading comics. And then
Wow.
next,
Okay, the good hobby from Hilmi. Next, how about you, Brad?
Okay. Hello, my name is Brett Jonathan Lobo. You can call me Brett. I am from Kupang and my hobby is playing football.
Okay, the next, Dava.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Dava. I'm from Purworejo and just call me Dava. Well, my hobby right now is investment.
Wow, our group has so cool hobbies. All right, let's jump right into it. Today we are going to have fun and chill conversation about the hobbies that make us happy, the interest that spark our curiosity, and the talents that not many people might know about. Let's get started. Okay, first, can I talk you, Hilmi, with
okay,
you?
okay.
Okay. Hilmi, would you mind sharing how you first got into watching anime, reading comics, and playing games? Was there a specific moments that sparked your interest in that world? And in your opinion, what benefits you gain from these hobbies? Like have they boost your creativity, broaden your knowledge, or maybe some things? We'd love to hear your story.
Okay. Uh, First, I like my hobbies, especially watching anime, because when watching anime, sometimes there are stories that contain a very deep meaning for life. For the hobby of playing games, I really like it because it can train my logic, especially for
Oh,
me as informatics student, or yeah, maybe you guys, uh, where logic is needed when we creating a program. And for reading comics, because many comics are still untranslated to bahasa Indonesia, I have to learn a little language like English or Japanese. That.
wow, that's amazing. That was a shock fun story from Hilmi. Now,
Mm,
how about your hobby, Brad? Playing football definitely takes a lot of energy and passion. When did you first start liking football? And through talk your journey with this hobby? What's the most memorable challenge you've faced? How did
mm,
you deal with it?
Okay. So I started to like playing soccer since I was little. Maybe when I was in grade 2 elementary school. I like playing soccer because I front of my house where was a soccer field. And in the
Mhm.
field there were so many children playing soccer. So I started to be interested and play. The challenge that I got is is how to manage my time. When the time for playing and when the time for do my homework. Because when I play soccer, I usually forgot to do my homework. The way to overcome it, I do my homework first, and after that I go to the field, and playing soccer together with all of the children there. That's it's from me.
Wow, 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 wow. This is so motivation. And the last, Muhammad Dafa, can I speak to you?
Yes, of course.
Oh yeah, yeah. Dafa, your hobby is quite unique and yeah, this is so serious. It's investing. Dafa, how did you first become interested in the world of investing? What makes it exciting challenge for you? What kind of investments do you usually focus on and how did you learn about them? It's really interesting as especially since investing isn't a very common hobby.
Okay. I first become interested in investing when I enter high school because you know what? I realized that if we only keep our money, we
Oh.
will still keep losing our money
Mm.
because we can see that the price of many things will always getting more luxury every year and year.
Mm.
Well, if you say that if it's challenging, of course it is challenging because not all assets are have a good risk and reward. So we need to search the best asset to save our money. My investment. I invest in many things, but my main investment from now is Bitcoin and gold because
Oh.
these two assets have a really good potential and fundamental.
Oh
So I
yeah.
choose these two assets as my main asset in investment.
I wow, 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 wow. This so motivation to me. Wow, amazing, amazing, Dava. Good job, Dava. After the that conversation, it's clear that our hobbies are really diverse, different but meaningful in their own ways. Now we are going to talk about interests and talents. Are you ready?
Okay.
Yes. Come on.
Yes. Okay. Two things that might seem simple but often makes use reflect deeply. When it comes interest and talents, everyone has their own unique story. Okay, first we start from Hilmi. Can you uh can everyone hear your story, Hilmi?
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's
Uh,
go.
First, I'm interested in learning language, especially Japanese, because
Ooh.
Japanese has something different from other language. Even so, I still don't have time to learn Japanese. Okay. I may also have interest in informatics, especially in programs, because sometimes when solving programming solving programming problems, it has its own happiness. Okay. Honestly, I don't know what talents I have, and even now, I'm still asking myself and looking for what talents I have. I don't know if this can be called a talent, but I'm a person who never give up unless it beyond my responsibility or beyond my control. Okay, that's it from me.
Wow, 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 wow. Good interest and talents. Now let's move on to Brad. Brad, can I talk to you, Brad?
Yes, and
Yeah, yeah. Brad, aside from playing football, do you have any other interests like video editing or maybe your interest in become a coach, football and or what? And when it comes to talent, do you feel you have a certain strength like quickly understanding games, strategies, or being great building teamwork?
uh, okay. If it's about editing, I don't really like editing because if we edit, we need imagination, and if it's about imagination, I don't really understand about it. And
Oh.
and if it's about being a coach, I don't want to either because I prefer to play soccer directly on the field because I don't have many strategies for playing. But but I have a lot of stamina and energy. And
Oh.
it is
Yeah,
about
yeah.
talent. Maybe I have more talent in building teamwork because in my opinion, playing soccer is not a solo game but a team game. So teamwork is very much need to achieve victory. It is from me.
Oh, wow, 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 wow. Amazing. Okay. The last, Dava,
Okay.
do you feel that your interest truly lie in the world of finance or business? What sparked your curiosity to dive deeper into that field? And when it comes to talent, have you ever felt then that you have strong analytics skills or the ability to make quick decisions? Your talent might be a perfect fit for a future in the financial world.
Okay. For the first question, I have some funny fact about myself. You know what? My actual hobby is not investment from the start. From the start, I really like playing basketball.
Ooh.
Then I like writing because I'm a novelist.
Okay.
But
Mm.
it's kinda work because yeah, from basketball to writing and end up in investment is like yeah. But if you know, actually, I really like to be in world of finance because my mom is also in finance.
Oh.
Mm.
And the reason where what I choose this because when I was a teenager, I really want to have a good laptop, but I have no
Mm.
money. Then I start to learn
Wow.
about how to make money with money that I already have. So I
Mm.
start learning about investment. And the good things is now I already have my good laptop that I really want from the start. Well, if I am talented, I'm not such a talented person. So I need to study, learn and learn and learn again. But what
Mm.
I really think about myself is what I am right now is what I do in past and what I am in the future is what I do in today.
Oh. Yeah.
And if it's about future, I don't really think like, am I really going to in finance world? But for now, I focus in two things. Since I was an engineering student, I focus in artificial intelligence and I'm focused in finance, especially in cryptocurrency, because this is what I believe will become the future of finance.
Oh.
That is my answer.
Wow, wow, wow. It is an interesting story. That's to motivation me and everyone. Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, wow. What an exciting conversation we've had tonight. We discovered that everyone has their own unique story about how they found their hobbies, interests, and talents. From this, we can learn that hobbies can be a gateway to better understanding ourselves. Interests can help guide the direction of our lives, and talents, whether natural or developed, can become powerful strength if we keep sharpening them. Okay. A big thank you for Hilmi, Brad, and Alpha for the inspiring
Okay.
and
Um,
enjoyable sharing session. And of course, thank you for everyone who listen to this podcast and all the way to the end. Don't forget to keep exploring yourself because who knows, your interests and talents might just be the key to your future success. Okay, I'm Much Firmansyah. Sign off. See you next time and stay inspired. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.